End of one era, beginning of another.
Restoration.
First day of taking apart. First piece is already off. Eddie J's here. Cold. November 7th. It's cold. Yeah. See how bad the paint is. That's why it has to be done.
I don't know how much of that we're going to pick up on.
It'll come off. We'll know.
Paint's bubbly and black is kind of cracked.
Gonna fix in here. I'm hoping that this looks better after. Doesn't really meet that well. It kind of goes up over here. Hoping that gets fixed. This might have to be replaced. So.
But the fender?
Yeah, I'd be surprised if
yeah.
Bill says it was replaced. Up front, not much change. That'll be repainted. That's about it.
You don't have the spoiler on now?
No.
We never put it back on, you're right. Yeah, pal. We'll add a little something special for the hood.
Glance a little on there.
Yeah.
Well, inside will be totally different. Different colors. It's too bright on the fender well, so it'll be flat or black. Hopefully a new battery, new cables. Black's also supposed to be a heavy-duty Deltron. Frame
kind of, what does that mean, shiny or?
No, it just should be a heavy-duty base primer and then a nice paint over it. Polyurethane, black.
Black will be painted too?
Black will be painted, all the engine parts will be painted, new hoses. High fire system will be moved underneath the front fender.
Will that be, we gotta ask them about rain and stuff.
Yeah.
I often wondered about putting that inside.
I figure it should be protected at least. It'll be removed, that's for sure.
I see, we got no paint on them upper control arms.
No.
That was from the winter stand.
All be painted. New lines. The springs should be repainted in a cast iron, so.
What springs?
The hood springs.
Oh, they will be?
Yeah, hood's badly tarnished. That'll all look much better. All new front end components.
New decals.
Oh yeah, all new decals. Horns we put back on. Lots of changes. New booster. The booster looks terrible.
That's going to be new or painted?
I think it'll be new.
The brake booster? That's not going to be cheap.
Well, it's going to have to be though. The cover, not the booster.
Oh, you mean the master cylinder cover?
The master cylinder cover
yeah.
will be replaced. The booster will just stay the same. We paint it flat black. We're going to try and put the cowl induction system on now. It's not on there now, but we're going to try and get that set up. And cosmetically, not too many other changes. Should look a little newer. Old and dingy now.
What?
Wanna see something? Daddy, wanna see something?
What are you doing? Taking pictures?
Of the car.
Right.
Hey, see this? Cool.
Not much else to see there. Not much else to see.
Mm.
Side. Time to get busy.
What's this good? What's this good?
Yeah. That's it.
Stripped down version.
How much left you come off? Some things, I guess.
There's Tommy supervising.
That's right. Somebody's got to.
That's about it.
Shooting.
Inside's starting to look as bad as the outside. No back seat, no radio. Some molding missing. Gotta get those out. Didn't find any paperwork. Still looking, but it's getting down to the nitty gritty. It's original then.
Only one?
One that I know of. That rear one might be original. The other rear one is.
My battery's dead, Pete.
That's it. Trunk. Okay.
That's it. I'm all done. The battery's blinking.
You can see you got rust up under here.
A little bit.
Well, and we haven't taken the bullets out and agitated it, but that pretty much looks like the other.
Yeah, that's okay.
And I'm usually quick to on rolling.
What do you do there? Just
We gotta cut it out and you out.
cut it right off.
We gotta cut the rust out. And then
Yeah, you cut it.
I did, and then, like 6 months, the same thing. And we just came again.
Where did they go? That's crazy. That part about it. This is probably 200 pounds. Take this one
I cut for long.
I mean, you can look at this one right here. Yeah, get it out of the bay. Like, they're just rotating. Around the ride, it would ride all out of that rotation. So they go full dash. But it's columns, it's not a hole in here that's well done. That's about here. It's drill out all the sidewalks. It's a real danger to cut a $2,000 job.
Hello.
But they, I guess.
Okay, we're going over the engine. Ready to go back together. Pete, Paul,
January
various parts on the bench.
and cowl.
I'd like to zoom in on some of the headwork and stop for just a minute. One of the heads has been resurfaced. All new intake valves. New guides. And our ream to size.
Everybody used the machine man,
See, looks good. And the front shot of the heads. They look good. Let's see some numbers. Some more GM. All valve springs have been tested for strength. I don't see any shims, but was told as needed they'd be added. This is Nigel. Nigel will be assembling the engine. Took it apart, found all our so-called problems. Cast of the block. Getting the numbers on it. And zoom in a little bit.
My understanding is that
Hold it there.
Highlight some of the numbers.
you have Norwood,
We're gonna
you have
go back to the numbers.
L21 here.
Face of the block.
Casting letter.
Try to hold it. New cam bearings mounted in. Obviously new freeze-out plugs. She's been boiled. She was not bored. She was rehomed. 30 over. Hopefully a good shot of the bore. Zoom in a little bit.
As far as the date code.
The hone looks good.
Now there should be
No taper.
I thought there was, but I don't know with certainty.
We get some numbers here.
I thought there was something back here somewhere
Back of the block.
that would be considered date code. At least I expected.
Pete and Steven are interested in date codes.
Didn't General Motors back in that year, or they only cast 2 blocks, one for Oldsmobile and one for Chevrolet?
That I don't know.
And Buick, Pontiac all fed off those.
That's probably true.
Side of the block. Basically just showing the clutch pivot. Freeze-out plugs. Back to the numbers on the block. DZ is pretty prominent. Block looks clean. I'm not sure if these casting numbers will come up, but they are there. Bolt main, as she's supposed to be. Some more casting marks inside. In here, I don't know what they mean.
That's a good point. You know what I mean?
Well, we got them.
Passing in Norwood, they're only going to have one code letter. That's it. They're not going to have another one.
Makes sense.
Wisconsin. I think this whole system.
This is the second head.
See it over here or something. I really do.
What are you looking
Again, what we've established is the springs have been replaced. There are no shims that we can see anywhere.
It's actually casting and machine.
They are a double spring.
Probably a layover time as far as that too. It's going to cast this, and by the time it gets to machine, it's going to be.
Heads have been boiled, cleaned very well. Really look nice. I'm gonna flip it over now. Yeah, again, all new intakes. Head's been machined. I see a number here if it matters.
Room 719.
A standard plug. Exhaust ports. A picture of the crank. It's been ground and polished and balanced up as needed. Kind of a rough shot of it. It's through plastic, but she just came back from place in the yard. Steven holding the new high performance deep groove original pulleys.
It doesn't fit too good.
Obviously the fit has to be worked on.
Yeah.
if they
We
do
were
have some
discussing what to do with the
I
intake.
don't know if there's
Yeah,
something
she's a little
that's
dirty.
too aggressive, with all the chrome stuff.
We don't know whether they're
that's
going to a
aggressive.
just standard hot tank or
See, the trouble is what
a
I'm
little
thinking is,
acid dip or
you know, cost for them, you know.
what.
Oh, sure.
For me to
Giving
go,
us something to think about for
obviously
sure.
it's got to take it apart first.
Yeah, well, the carb, that's no big deal.
No, then it's like, what?
Okay, all the pistons have been numbered. In here is where Nigel's gonna stamp each rod to each piston, which has already been finished with the crank when it was sent out. Okay, you see the number. The numbers will wear off, but our system will be on the side of the bearing cap. Okay, finished pistons. I'm not sure if I caught that before. All the pistons are numbered.
Yeah, you don't want to break
They came back from the machine shop. All are sized and fitted to the crank. This is where we will number each rod to match each piston, to match each bore. We're not going by this stamping system here at all. That's going to be changed.
what temper rings.
Okay. Main bearings.
Surprising. If it was an aftermarket system at the time, you think they would put them.
Yeah. And we found Pete's nose here in the mess. There it is. Zoomed right in. Definitely not going to get scratched up there. Obviously the new paint booth.
Take a little picture of this Pontiac.
Steve wants his old funny arc here. Hey, I was a general fan of the place. Since we're out in the warehouse. Oh yeah, look at the car. It has no paint on it. Yeah, we're just going to break away here. Here's Pete's body. It's all chrome now. Rear end's out. No frame. He's down to basics. I'm going to give you a pan from underneath eventually. I don't know if the lighting is going to be good. My goodness, he is down. Oof. Rear quarters is very nice steel, no Bondo. Nice fit. They were replaced from roof down. Dash is out. Oh, he's down to nothing. I don't know how good the lighting is going to come out here. I'm going to go into backlight. I don't know if this is going to help or not. There's vision of the back, sides, door panels. New floor going in.
Early openings here.
Here's the top. Yeah, I don't see another number there. I looked at there.
The hole in the
Yeah, here.
tunnel for the shifter will be replaced.
Shows
It's an area of rust
Yeah, it does. If you look right here,
be taken down.
there's 72 paint. If it was a non-vinyl top, it would be 72. Here it's a 72 B paint. The B is a black vinyl roof. Alright, here you have the number of the car, body type. Right. Okay. Then you have X77 Z28. 72 is under orange. 711 is standard good. 01 was assembled in January, third week of January. Okay? The VIN production number is a January production. We have a match there.
She's down to nothing.
Tired?
Steering box, brake booster, everything's been sent out for rebuild.
Where's the body?
That's going to be the spray booth, I guess. Now the floor.
So you like the 7,000 or less of?
Well, I think the 8,000 might be more valuable. Wow. I don't know. That's what I was told. I don't know.
She's down to nothing. There's Pete's stores. Various array of themed strips. Little filler on the bottom, not much. Very, very, very limited, very thin. Okay, this is the driver's side door, and this is the one that's to be replaced.
That's going to replace this one?
Yes.
This one here is going to get back?
This is the new door.
Yes. Reskin probably.
Mr. Environmental, let me show you something over here.
Okay, we're up on top of the spray booth. Looking at Pete's front end. She's us. Mm-hmm.
Maybe just
His dad overseeing everything. He's giving us his okay. Machine shop expertise on the side. Rear end, documenting some numbers right now. Paul is helping Pete. You shine the light on those numbers, Pete, there. It's going to take me a minute to focus. Okay, do that again, Pete. I wasn't with you. Is it? I don't know if I can get that.
That's okay, because they'll be clean one day.
Yeah, I think clean is the best time to photograph this thing with the numbers.
That's either a CO or a...
Yeah, we'll give you a general idea then.
CO might be a
There's the dusty nose. Overhead shot of Pete's car to 3 doors. We haven't figured out where to put the 3rd door, but we'll get to that.
Spark plug wires are housed inside this tube here.
Yeah, we used to have a Cadillac.
Yeah?
Too.
That's pretty classic.
That's part of it right there. That's my radiator. That's my alternator. All the way. I'm going to go right in that wall. And that's the door. That's all new. Looks good. No, it's not.
I've heard that before. I'll tell you when it's done.
Said they found more problems. I know exactly what.
Yeah, they fixed them?
Guess so.
Original door, skin's off. Look what you see inside there. Now, you're gonna get something that they didn't get in the beginning. I don't care how nice the car they had, or where it came from. And we're gonna have to flip the corner around here.
Now this door is the one that's going to get reskinned, or is
That's
this
right.
the other door?
The passenger side door, okay? And they obviously don't get any primer or anything. So subsequently rust, and then the rust goes through the skin, and then you end up with all that safety crap, you know?
Is that the old skin?
The old skin and the old skin brace. You want to look at it?
No.
You might want to know why. It's the rust and everything. See what's happening? See? And here was probably a year or two away. So in other words, imagine the frustration to get the car all done, and in a year, how could we know? Looking at it from the side we could see, it's pretty good, huh? One little pinhole. But clearly, this was they put the undercoating right over the bare metal. Obviously, it's all rusting here.
Is this original, you think?
I think this is original, yeah, it's not deadly. They didn't even paint the inner support brace, which is...
New door skin.
Well, I try, roll them up one day. But I try not to take too much apart at once because, again...
Do anything with that? I mean,
Well,
you know, if we see this on this...
Yeah. There is a possibility that that is in some door.
Inner doors will be sprayed with a rust conversion primer, which after they're sandblasted, it'll kill any form or shape of rust as we know it.
First I did it free, that's bad. It's a free when they figure out the holes that were all bad. They gotta do it. What happened when the light goes?
After sandblasting, rust was found where the window mounts. Now he's going to repair all that fiberglass. Numbers in the cowl. I don't know if you can see all of these. Get them on anyways. They're all sandblasted. Little Ted Roosevelt car here. Some of Pete's parts. Front frame, primered. Yeah, 56. Starting to take shape too. Yeah, some old Mustang.
Motor mounts.
Is this all this stuff you're buying now? Is this on above what we already discussed for a final price?
No, none of this should.
These $50 and $60 items you're buying right now?
See, I told him I take them all apart. But I don't see a difference on them either.
Try it this way.
They got rid of the soda head that's flat, you know, nothing in it.
White Continental was Ricky Nelson's. Was.
This
Best to show this car?
That's what they told me. National first. Yeah, I never saw this car before.
See how the headlights turn with the tires? Or the driving lights?
Yeah, maybe we did see some. I don't know if we did the Perceros here.
For a clean up, you know, for a touch up and stuff like that. And then it'll go, it is a chance of winning a Grand National Championship, like Best of Show there.
Really?
Even though there's some real exotic stuff, as far as, you know, being roadsters and convertibles, but this is just as nice an example in its own right, so.
I said to Paul, I said, how can a sedan win Best of Show?
Yeah, it can, it's judged, again, on their own merits.
What is it, 1930 Piercero, this one?
Let's see, what is this, 31,
Says-
30?
says 30
30,
here.
yep.
I don't.
I lived there all my life too, right? I never knew it was there.
Info looks good.
Yeah, man, it came out great the second time around. Right, Mike? Yeah, well, looks a lot better, right? That's why it should have came out the first time. I don't know how they missed the boat on that. Boy, my hoses are actually on. You know how long I've had those hoses? I brought the little thing that goes here. Okay, I brought it there. Is it one or two of those? I thought only one. It might be two. Yeah, I brought it. There's only one. Where else? Yeah, crazy. I've been asking Paul all day. Got to be in the boat.
Hello, Peter.
Hi, Bill. How are you?
Good, and yourself?
Not bad, thank you. Starting to look like a car, Bill.
Yeah, doesn't it though?
Yes, it does.
I mean, you know, this is something that you expect to see come out of Detroit, you know, right on
I
the
know.
assembly line.
I know. It even looks like they got the instructions and all.
Yeah.
You know what? I think I have that piece at home. I never knew what it was.
1969
So I think I may have it.
restoration.
And I was gonna bring it to Paul and just say, hey, I don't know what this is. I thought it went to the
Now this car over here is a 1936 Packard.
It was just thrown in the trunk, so I pretty much that's what I did. Okay. I think I can get that.
Is that car back?
9 months.
Yeah.
The whole car.
Note the color of the springs. New floor pans in, welded, clean.
not 100% on the color.
New trunk floor pan, you can't see none. You can't tell no welds or nothing, just like you said.
This was fixed. Whoever had the dent.
I was already tapping
Dent's
on it.
gone.
Oh, looks so neat. And the old elevator works fine.
No,
No,
it works. We have to do a lot of work on that too.
the one new car doesn't make it.
No, that's only all about the 70 headlights.
That's why I'm following right up on that.
Did I tell you how they got a settling for the headlights?
No, in fact, at the time I asked you, calcium carbide?
Right, and then they would drip water into the tank, which would cause acetylene gas. Oh, there's always a buyer for it. But see, antique cars, they don't sell overnight. It takes time to sell these cars.
Sure. A one-of-a-kind Pierce Arrow.
Mhm.
Awesome. And next to the 29 cord.
No,
And on something. You're not kidding.
Nice if there was a ladder that you could stand on.
This is a new room.
Look at the old Gulf sign.
Yeah.
There were as many carpenters that
There's my plate.
What do you mean?
Up on that?
UM4?
Yeah.
Why? You gave it to him?
Yeah.
Oh, no kidding. Why'd you give it to him?
Why not?
Oh, no, I mean,
Gave him Pensy plate too somewhere.
That's a hard plate. Why do you give that away? That 42 is hard to get. Everybody has a 50.
Got lots of them. Yeah, 1913 note to trip set. Stuart Warner.
carbide didn't come around until the 30s.
Calcium carbide, power to light.
Calcium chloride.
That's what I was told. Calcium carbide.
Looks like some kind of plummet. Let's see how good I am.
Dodge?
Oh, we don't have to door call.
Hey. Burning clean. She's burning clean.
It's got a kick. Wait till you hear it. It's
What
gonna-
a-
you're
what a
almost- you're gonna-
snap.
You're gonna think that it's it sounds like a motorboat. It's the blackest thing that thing, right? It sounds like a motorboat.
Yeah, she got a crack.
Wait till you hear
Far
the
from done.
backdraft on it. Like, you get in and you let off. Almost sounds like something wrong.
Fake.
What the hell is that?
It's white. Totally different sound. First ride.
First ride. Dirty ride. Wait till you hear this thing. I see nice. You have no problem. What do you hear? Holy shit.
Cool. Sounds awesome.
You hear it, huh? Yeah, when you get on, it's got a really unique sound. I like to hear it outside the car. I don't really want to go on a main road.
Yeah, okay. What a sound.
I'm just gonna go.
Okay. Looks good. Little Stratford run.
Jeez, I haven't been here in a while.
There's the babes, man.
Oh yeah.
You end up looking at everybody looking at you.
Yeah, no, you're not paying attention where you're going. That's the way this thing steers right now.
Yeah, over Steve's dad's house. Oh, front shot.
I just heard from the first day. Just as long as these guys were, tell me whatever they get their input in, they'll
But I mean, I will take back up.
yeah, it's gonna come to New York. But as soon as everything's done, pretty much it's ready to go.
I think you're probably going to tune it up about.
Although the new Kerber's dying, right? Hey, listen, I don't know if it's the lack of registration or the lack of insurance that bothers me. Actually, it is. My